Good morning, children. Class 3 Fragrance English Reader. We are going to read today. The first chapter is If I Knew. Okay. So here in this poem, the poet thinks that he could do many things if he knew where the smiles were kept. Okay. It is written by Maud Wayman. And you I will recite and I will explain it. Okay. If I knew a box where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard it would open, I know, for me. If I knew a box where the smiles are kept, the child is saying that if I knew a box where the smiles are kept, no matter, it doesn't matter if it is a large or it is big also, the key is big or whether it is large, it doesn't matter, or strong the bolt. No matter means not that much important it is, and bolt means lock of a door. The lock of a door is called bolt. How large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard it would open. I know for me. He was so sure that whether it is large or it might be very hard also, he would open that key, that lock. Then over the land and sea broadcast, I would scatter the smiles to play. You would scatter everywhere and you would broadcast meaning to tell a lot of people about something. That is, you would say that it's open, I can take out the smiles from everyone's faces. I would scatter the smiles to play. He would scatter, that means throw in all directions, wherever he could throw. And he is saying that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day. Children's face might hold that smile for many and many days. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I made. If it is in the book you have seen now, all the pictures, just see how their faces are. They all are not happy, no? Some of them are happy, some of them are not having smiles. So these all, frowns means angry expressions. He would change it into the smiles and keep it in one box, which is large enough. He can bring all the. He can collect all the all the frowns and lock it in one big box, large box. I would gather them, everyone, from nursery, school and street. He would, if he can catch all that things, then he would. If he can catch the smiles, then he could collect it from all the way. From nursery, school and the street. Street means public roads, okay, where the buildings and houses are in one side and at other side. So then folding and holding, I will pack them in and turn the monster key. Monster means unusually large, okay. He would fold and hold that one. By folding and holding, he would pack in the monster key. The frowns, he would pack it in the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box. He would hire a giant. That means he would hire a giant and drop it in the depths of the deep sea, and he can make all the he will collect all the frowns and he will throw it in the deep sea, and he will collect smiles and make sure that people smile. And the child wants to say in this poem that only thing is that he could do many things for smiles. He could even go and open that large boxes, no, and he can collect the smiles. So keep on smiling, my dear children. Still for today we'll stop with this topic, and tomorrow we'll again see. Okay, thank you.